So my nails are taking a hard rest from acrylics right now, so I'm not putting on a full set today. But I still wanted to show this press-on nail glue because this is the kind of product that's good to have on hand if you wear press-ons, nail tips, acrylic nails, or even little nail decorations like the charms or gems. The company sent this to me to try, and the first thing I noticed is the texture. It's not super runny, but it's also not too thick. It has that nice in between gel feel, so when you brush it on, it spreads smoothly without immediately running all over the place. And that matters because nail glue can get messy really, really fast if it's too thin. I like that this one gives you a little bit more control. The brush on applicator is also a big plus. Instead of squeezing glue from the tiny tube and hoping for the best, you can brush on more of an even layer. That makes it feel easier to use, especially if you're doing your nails at home and want things to look cleaner. I also like that it doesn't dry like super glue the second it touches something. You do have to work quickly, but you still get just that little bit of wiggle room before it sets. That's helpful because sometimes you place a nail down and realize it needs to shift just a little bit to the left. With this, you're not instantly stuck with it sitting crooked while you stare at it in regret. The formula is made for press-on nails and nail tips of artificial nails and acrylic nails. With the right prep, it's designed to help the nails stay in place through everyday things like typing, fixing your hair, opening things, and just normal daily use. And we all know nails get tested by the smallest tasks. You'll be feeling cute, and then suddenly a soda can or a tight package wants to challenge your whole manicure. Another thing I like is that it air dries, so you don't need a UV lamp. That makes it nice for quick manicures at home or for fixing one nail that pops off. And honestly, that's probably one of my favorite uses for it. Even if you're not doing a full set, this is something I would keep in a nail kit, makeup bag, your purse, or a travel bag for those little nail emergencies. The bottle is small enough to take on the go, which is great because nail oopsies never happen at a convenient time. They happen when you're walking out the door, at an event, or when you're nowhere near your regular nail supplies. So I like having something compact that can help with quick fixes. For me, this nail glue feels easy to control, it's easy to apply, and much less messy than some other glues I've used. I like the brush, I like the gel texture, and I like that it gives you a tiny bit of time to get the nail positioned before it sets. Even though my nails are taking a break right now, this is definitely something I'd keep around for press-on nails, even if I just have nail tips, my acrylic nail fixes, or little decorative nail pieces. It's simple, it's useful, and it's a great little bottle to have ready for any nail emergency.